All right, Jeep owners, if you've got a 2018 to 2025 Wrangler without the premium Alpine system or the 4xe, then this one's for you. Now, the basic audio system that you have does not come with the subwoofer at all. And honestly, it leaves the system sounding flat. So we put together a custom bass package designed specifically for Wranglers like yours, starting at $849. Now, the kit includes the Memphis PRX 400.1 V2, which is a 400 watt amplifier, compact and reliable. On the subwoofer, you have the option of either the Alpine S2-W10 D4, which is a 10-inch subwoofer that plays tight, has clean bass with solid power handling. And the second option is the Audio Mobile GTS 10 single 2 ohm, which musically sounds great and plays a little bit deeper than the Alpine. But we'll talk about that a little bit more later. And it comes with a custom fiberglass enclosure that tucks neatly into the Jeep without giving up cargo space. Okay, so let's talk about the premium system versus the basic audio system in your Jeep. Now, before we go any further, let's clear up the difference between those two systems. Now, if you got the premium Alpine package, you'll notice that there's a factory subwoofer in the rear cargo area. And there's an OEM amplifier tucked away in the steering column. Now, if you don't see the sub back there, then you have the basic system, and this is exactly who this kit is for. So let's take a quick listen before the upgrade so you can see where it's lacking. Oh, and I almost forgot, go grab yourself a set of over-the-ear headphones. It's gonna make a big difference between the two systems. Without it, that little speaker on the side of your phone is not gonna cut it. Okay, go do it.
I don't know what favorite just taught my dog and he told me he got me. I hopped up the line and went straight to go get it. I got us. Building this up out of mortar and brick. The way that it's going, I don't see it ending. The pigment is tinted. I'm really that nigga, go figure. I'm tapped in to a higher power feeling bigger than me. It's centering me. My enemy silent. They see that I'm fried. Can't fuck with my energy.
Okay, this audio system definitely needs help. Okay, so let's go and do the installation and then we'll circle back and take a listen to it with the sub. Now we also offer this same exact package with the Audio Mobile GTS 10 for just $150 more. So instead of $849, it's $999. Now, here's the thing. The Alpine is a solid performer, no question. But the Audio Mobile plays deeper, hits harder, and is just more musical. For a small price difference, I almost always recommend going with the Audio Mobile upgrade. But if the budget is tight, the Alpine will still put a smile on your face. Okay, check this out. Same Jeep, same factory radio, now with our custom bass package.
Ask for it, you receive it, got it locked, put the key in. Got them looking, yeah, they praying. She like, I like what I'm seeing. Now we up, they agreeing, play full, yeah, we eating. Now you can't ignore this feeling where you got it from and seeing. Why these niggas built in? If I love, why you cheating? She know that I'm never leaving. They won't beef, but they vegan.
Now that's the low end we were missing. It's full, it's clean, and it transforms the entire driving experience. It's the kind of upgrade that's worth every penny. And if you got $150 more, do the Audio Mobile, because this is just the Alpine, and the Audio Mobile will sound better. So there you have it, the Jeep Wrangler custom bass package. $849 with the Alpine, $999 with the Audio Mobile upgrade. Both are going to add that low-end bass that you're missing, but if you want a deeper, richer option, go with the Audio Mobile. Okay, so to purchase these exact packages, we're going to leave links in the description below, taking you directly to the product page. Now remember, we do have financing available. Simply add to cart, pick a financing option, get approved, and we'll send your package out to you ASAP. Okay, that's going to do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. My name is Josh. I'm with Breaker Stereo and Performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.